Welcome. These I am affirmations are here to fill your mind with positivity, strength, and clarity. Feel each statement sink deeply into your mind and body. I am thankful for this day. I am grateful for every good thing in my life. I am grateful for something I am happy to have in my life right now. I am proud of myself for taking the time to give myself positive thoughts. I am giving my mind uplifting thoughts every day. I am growing stronger when I focus on thoughts that help me move forward. I am open to positivity in my life. I am surrounded by uplifting energy. I am choosing thoughts that empower and inspire me. I am in control of where my focus goes. I am happy that I focus only on what truly helps me move forward. I am radiating joy, hope, and light. I am uplifting and helpful to others. I am releasing negativity and embracing what lifts me up. I am attracting positivity in every moment. I am focused on growth and happiness. I am seeing the beauty and opportunities in each day. I am a source of positivity and light. I am strong. I am rising above challenges with courage. I am trusting my inner wisdom and resilience. I am proud that I always do my best. I am proud that I am forgiving toward myself. I am facing every situation with confidence and clarity. I am empowered to make the best choices for myself. I am kind to myself when I meet obstacles. I am proud that I think kind thoughts toward myself. I am honoring my strength and growth. I am grounded, centered, and empowered. I am carrying my strength into every thought and action. I am clear and focused. I am concentrating on what truly matters. I am taking inspired action with purpose and intention. I am letting go of distractions and unnecessary worry. I am fully present in every moment. I am enough. I am seeing opportunities clearly and acting with confidence. I am maintaining calm and clarity in my thoughts. I am trusting the guidance of my inner mind. I am aligned with growth, purpose, and positivity. I am the master of my thoughts and focus. I am unique and proud of my perspective in the world. I am grateful for the abundance around me. I am embracing positivity in myself and others. I am radiating love, kindness, and hope. I am releasing tension and welcoming peace. I am balanced in mind, body, and spirit. I am accepting what is and focusing on what I can create. I am nurturing my mental and emotional well-being. I am choosing to see the best in every situation. I am calm, centered, and emotionally strong. I am carrying gratitude, peace, and positivity in my heart. I am bringing strength and positivity into every thought. I am resilient, confident, and empowered. I am capable of overcoming challenges. I am choosing thoughts that support my growth and happiness. I am focused, balanced, and filled with light. I'm carrying this positivity and strength with me today. I am surrounded by uplifting energy. I am empowered. I am strong. I am radiating joy, hope, and light. I am choosing thoughts that empower and inspire me. I am positive. I am focused on growth and happiness. I am seeing the beauty and opportunities in each day. I am in control of where my focus goes. I am happy that I focus only on what truly helps me move forward. I am ready to embrace the day with clarity and courage. Take this feeling into your day and carry it with you. Have a wonderful, empowered day.